It is Thursday, November 3rd, 2011, 5:49 p.m. I just arrived at my HVAC course and this is what I found. Thought it would be worth filming. A Carrier Tech 2000 straight cool unit with the service panel removed. And that would appear to be a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Yeah, that's a Copeland reciprocating compressor. There is the run capacitor right there. It looks like some stuff has been removed. But yeah, this is a Carrier 3.5 ton straight cool air conditioner from 2000. So it's probably a 10 SEER, maybe a 12 SEER. More than likely a 10 SEER. And as far as I know, this thing still works. This is the unit that was over here when I made that first video with the air conditioner graveyard, as I like to call it. There's a disconnect box. Don't know if this is a furnace or an air handler. Probably just an air handler. Oh, here we go. Let's see if we can see something here. Trying to see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is an air handler. I can't read that very well, but I'm pretty sure that's just an air handler. And nothing much has changed over here except they moved one of the Tech 2000s and put this Payne straight cool unit in its place. And this Payne appears to have a Copeland scroll compressor. This is from 2001, and it is also a 3.5 ton. And this is a straight cool unit. That one, 2002, 2.5 ton straight cool unit. That one, if I remember correctly, was a heat pump. These ones I'm pretty sure are all heat pumps except for the Infinity right there. Actually, this one's a straight cool. Or is that a heat pump? No, this one's a straight cool. This one might be a new arrival. This one's a 2004. No, this one's a straight cool. 4 ton. Oh, oops. My foot caught on the service panel. This one's a 2002. 4 ton. And let me get up my... Damn it. Okay, this one is a 24 ANA. If anyone can tell me what model that is exactly, that would be greatly appreciated. These are all heat pumps right here. Heat pump, yeah, these ones are all heat pumps. This one is hooked up, but there's no Schrader valves on there, so there might not be a charge in that one. Yeah, this one is a... Yeah, I just looked at this one. This one's a straight cool unit. This ICP is a heat pump. This is the one that has the really tiny reversing valve in it. And I don't know if this one's a Carrier or a Bryant. It's a heat pump. And it's a 4 ton heat pump from 1999. I think this one's a Bryant. This one just says condensing unit. I forget what the hell this one was. It's been a while since I've been back here. I think this one's a straight cool unit. And there's the Carrier with the missing fan motor. Right there, that one's a straight cool. Yeah, that one looks like a Bryant. Bunch of Carriers. And then those other two One of these is a gas pack. I don't know about the other one, but these are both packaged units. Filmed those already. Alright. And that one's really dented in. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.